Tomatoes are drama queens, and that's okay. Sometimes tomatoes stand alone in the dirt, vulnerable, exposed, surrounded by pests. That is not just a tomato, it is a tragedy. But it doesn't have to be this way. With the right friends around, your tomato can thrive, taste better, and fight off pests like a juicy little gladiator. In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate breakdown of tomato companion planting. Who to invite to the garden party, who to block at the gate, and how to design a layout that even your grandma would call cute. Let's settle this right now. What's your favorite plant to grow next to tomatoes? Drop it in the comments and let the companion plant debate begin. Be sure to check out our AI gardening app and get any question answered instantly. Never look at a sad plant again. Now let's get into the video. Chapter 1. What is companion planting and why tomatoes are obsessed with it? Think of companion planting like roommate matchmaking for your garden. Some plants play nice. They share resources, repel bugs, and help each other thrive. Others, not so much. They hog all the nutrients, attract pests, or literally poison the soil. Tomatoes are especially picky. They don't just want neighbors, they want friends with benefits. Benefits of companion planting: natural pest control, improved soil health, better yields and flavor, efficient use of space, less need for chemical fertilizers or pesticides. Basically, your tomato is high maintenance and dramatic, and we love it for that. Chapter 2. The Tomato Dream Team. Best Companion Plants. 1. Basil, the flavor enhancer. The Beyoncé to tomatoes, Jay-Z. Basil not only improves flavor but repels mosquitoes, whiteflies, and aphids. Plus, it smells amazing. Hashtag power couple. 2. Marigold, the pest repeller in high heels. Marigolds look cute, but they're total badasses. They release a substance called thiophene that knocks out nematodes and aphids like they're on a garden hit list. 3. Carrots, the quiet soil helper. They grow underground, don't cause drama, and help aerate the soil. The kind of plant that pays rent early and doesn't eat your leftovers. 4. Garlic and onions, the stinky bodyguards. Yeah, they smell, but that's the point. Pests hate the smell. Think of them as that friend who clears a room at a party in a good way. 5. Nasturtium, the decoy darling. This little flower is the sacrificial hero. It attracts aphids away from tomatoes, keeping your crop clean. MVP of the pest war. 6. Lettuce, the ground cover genius. Low maintenance and happy in tomato shade. A great use of space and moisture retention. Also, salad bar, anyone? Chapter 3. Tomatoes' worst enemies. Avoid these at all costs. 1. Corn, the pest magnet. Corn and tomatoes attract the same pests, especially tomato fruitworm. It's like inviting your ex and your current partner to the same BBQ. Bad idea. 2. Potatoes, disease doppelganger. Tomatoes and potatoes are in the same plant family, nightshades, which means they share diseases like blight. It's like roommates who both bring home the same cold from work. 3. Cabbage, broccoli, kale, the nutrient hogs. These guys are heavy feeders and can outcompete tomatoes for nutrients. Plus, their leaves throw shade, and tomatoes are sun divas. 4. Fennel, the toxic frenemy. Fennel is straight up allelopathic, meaning it releases chemicals that stop other plants from growing. Not a vibe. Kick it out of the group chat. Chapter 4. Plant pairings that boost tomato flavor. This isn't folklore. Some companion plants actually enhance tomato flavor. Basil is the top contender, but chives, garlic, and borage also bring out tomatoes' sweetness. Quick flavor boosters to plant. Basil, sweet peppery boost. Borage, adds minerals to soil, some claim sweeter fruit. Garlic, subtle savory flavor influence. Chives, mild onion flavor companion. Your tomato could be basic, or it could be gourmet. You decide. Chapter 5. Natural pest control with plant power. Why spray when you can slay, bugs, that is, with companion plants? Top pest-fighting allies: marigold, nematodes, aphids, mint, ants, whiteflies, garlic, red spider mites, aphids, onion, thrips, nasturtium, aphid trap crop. Put these together and it's like setting up an anti-bug security system, complete with alarms, lasers, and garlic breath. Chapter 6. Garden Layout Tips. How to arrange the perfect tomato crew. Your tomatoes crew is picked. Now it's time to seat them at the table. Layout tips. Give each tomato at least 18 to 24 inches of space. Basil and marigolds can go between tomatoes. Lettuce or spinach works well under tall tomatoes. Avoid planting enemies even in nearby rows. Think of it like Thanksgiving dinner. Don't sit fennel next to the mashed potatoes unless you want tension and weird flavors. Chapter 7. Container and small space tomato companions. No yard, no excuses. Your balcony tomato can still have a garden squad. Best container companions: basil, same pot. Marigolds, in front for pests. Chives or green onions, space efficient. Nasturtium, hanging edge for beauty and bug luring. Your apartment patio just became a 5-star tomato resort. Chapter 8. Top companion planting mistakes and how to fix them. You thought you were helping your tomato, but you were actually sabotaging it. Let's fix that. Mistakes to avoid: overcrowding equals poor airflow and disease. Pairing nutrient hogs equals stunted tomatoes. Ignoring root competition. Planting enemies too close. Assuming more plants equals better yields. It's not about how many friends your tomato has. It's about the right ones. Chapter 9. The Trap Crop Hack. Outsmarting pests. Want to lure bugs away from your tomatoes? Plant something even more delicious. To them, not you. Trap crop ideas: nasturtium. Lures aphids. Radish. Lures flea beetles. Cherry tomatoes. Sometimes used to distract hornworms from heirlooms. Think of it like sending a fake invite to your enemies. They'll never see the ambush coming. Chapter 10. Attracting pollinators to help tomatoes fruit. Tomatoes are technically self-pollinating, but they perform better when bees and pollinators are involved. Like every relationship, it works better with a third party involved. Pollinator plants to add: lavender, borage, calendula, coneflower. Make your tomato patch irresistible. Bees will RSVP yes. Wrap up plus challenge for the garden community. So whether you've got a backyard full of beds or one lonely tomato in a pot, you now have the tools to make your tomatoes thrive. With flavor, friends, and fewer pests. Drop a comment. What companion plant do you swear by? Let's help each other grow smarter. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell so your garden is always the smartest one on the block. And remember, you can grow it. Now check out how our AI gardening app can help your tomatoes and other veggies and fruits thrive like never before. Get the most out of your growing season. Troubleshoot any problem with our AI gardening buddy. Hello, AI buddy. I have 3 m2 space left in a shady spot. What can I grow there? Don't include herbs.
Although many vegetables and fruits prefer full sun, there are several types of plants that can tolerate and even thrive in shady spots. Leafy greens, spinach, Swiss chard, and kale don't need as much sunlight as some other vegetables.
Get as specific as you need. Hello, AI buddy. It's June in the Netherlands. I'm going on a trip for 5 days. What are some garden watering tips to keep my plants healthy?
If you're going away for a few days, here are some tips to help ensure your garden stays hydrated. 1. Deep watering. A few days before you leave, give your garden a deep watering. This means watering your plants more than you usually would.
Describe your unique situation and let our AI gardening buddy solve your problems. Hello, AI buddy. I don't have a lot of mulch. What is the best way to get mulch without spending a lot of money?
Many towns and cities offer free or cheap mulch made from recycled leaves or wood chips. Contact your local waste facility or public works department to see if they offer this service. Always remember to ask about the source of the mulch to avoid introducing disease or pests into your garden.
Our AI doesn't just provide answers. It helps you see the bigger picture, highlighting key factors you need to consider for smarter decisions. Try it for free on app.stronggecko.com. We all have limited space to grow our crops. We all have just a couple of months in a growing season. Use our AI gardening buddy to get the most out of your garden. You can grow it.